Introducing the MSA-650 IRIS, the first vibrometer capable of optical characterization of dynamics inside silicon-encapsulated MEMS devices. Essential for characterizing first prototypes and troubleshooting, it ensures precise insights into your capped components. Measuring is simple. First, focus the microscope on the desired position. Second, let our automated depth scan take over, seamlessly setting up the optical system and pinpointing the MEMS layers with precision. Third, effortlessly identify the layer to test using our cutting-edge software. Now experience the true dynamic behavior of the encapsulated MEMS device with our precise vibration measurement. This step can assist you in ensuring optimal performance and reliability of your devices. The Polytech MSA-650 IRIS vibrometer, optical characterization of dynamics inside silicon-capped MEMS.